joining me here. This is Srishti and today we are going to be talking about that one method which can help you in making your life simple, peaceful and progressive. This method can help you in succeeding. I won't be asking you to go out anywhere and seek guidance from anyone, nor I am going to ask you to spend your money anywhere. I am going to share that method here today with you all, which we all ignore, or I would rather say take for granted, and which we all must do. And let me tell you that practicing this method can literally be a game changer for not just you and me, but for each and everyone. So do watch this video till the end, because whatever I am going to be sharing here today with you is not any imaginary or hypothetical method. It's totally real, authentic and proven by researchers. So what it is actually? Journaling. Yes, you heard me right. Journaling is the method which can help you to make your life simple, easy and progressive. Journaling is the method which can lead you towards success and progress. Journaling is writing down and expressing yourself with words on paper. Some say dumping down your whatever you are thinking on a sheet. So what's the big deal here? It's a very simple and easy method. What's the big deal? Anyone can do it. But let me ask, how many of us actually do it? If there is anyone who do it, comment down your name, because you deserve ton of appreciation. But I know majority of us will be saying no. But let's be very clear here that writing down about your day, writing down about your ambitions, writing down about your short-term and long-term goals, writing down about the positive and negative situations, writing down about what you are feeling, writing down about what you have learned from a day, from a person or a situation, writing down about your priorities in life, writing down about each and everything about your life and about yourself can actually make a big difference, can actually make your life more easier, better, simpler and peaceful. So why it is so and how is it so? Let's check the benefits of journaling. Number one, journaling helps you discover yourself. Now we all are grown-ups, but when someone asks, tell me about yourself, who you are, or tell me about your strengths and weaknesses, what you want in life, are we able to answer these questions well? Journaling helps you here. When you are writing about yourself, when you are going to write about what you want in life, what are your ambitions, what are your goals, what are your priorities, you are actually discovering yourself. And knowing about yourself is an accomplishment on its own. Aristotle said, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The great ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, mastering others is strength, but mastering yourself is the true power. So journaling helps you to discover yourself and master yourself. Number two, journaling helps you record the remarkable memories, savor them and appreciate them. And you know, when you are going to read them again in future, you will actually be reliving the same moment again. Now if I ask you that, do you remember what you did last year on some day? Let's say, do you remember what you did on 15th of October 2019? Was it a good day? What you learned from that day? All vanished. But now, when you have all written in there, a plus point, right? And even for today, when you are going to write down about the positive things, about the people who made you happy, you are actually appreciating them. You are being thankful for them. You are developing gratitude, and this will boost your mood. This will make you happy. this will make you appreciate life more. That yes, life is beautiful. Number 3, journaling helps you meet your goals and succeed and grow. Researchers have found that when you write down your dreams, your ambitions, your goals, short term or long term, when you are writing them down, you are actually making your mind clear that this is what I want. And when you are writing them down, your mind will actually work to find the path for achieving that goal. Your mind will lay a path in front of you which needs to be done for achieving those goals. And when you are writing goals every day in your journal and working towards them and completing them by the end of the day, what can stop you from succeeding them? So journaling helps you to get clear picture about what you want and how to achieve them. Number 4, journaling helps you deal with the negative and stressful situations of life. Now I want your attention here. Listen to me carefully. Life is full of ups and downs. If there are positives, then there are negatives too. Some will say negatives are more. But yes, they both exist. We have stresses. We have things we can't tell others. We all are having such moments. But what people do here is they try to run away from them. They try to suppress these emotions and distract themselves by doing irrelevant things. But in order to grow, you need to face them and deal with them. Every adversity is an opportunity to learn something new. And when you are going to write down about such emotions and situations, this will help your mind to process them, manage them, accept them, and ultimately deal with them. Number 5, and this is the last one we are discussing today. Journaling helps you ease the symptom of mental illness. More than 40% of Indians are suffering from depression. And if you have ever visited a counselor or a therapist, they must have recommended you to start journaling. Because by externalizing your thoughts, emotions, and feelings through journaling, you are having less to carry around psychologically. So grab your pen and notebook, go in a private space, sit and write down. Write down whatever is going on in your mind. If there is something which is disturbing you, write it down. If there is something which is making you happy, write it down. Write. Let it out. Let yourself be free. So thank you so much. This is it for today. Do subscribe to my channel. Do hit that like button if you like my video. And yes, share it with everyone.